In this tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to get free coins in Reelshort. This is a working method in 2025 on iOS and Android devices, so everyone can benefit from this. And this is going to get you tons of free coins. Now, it doesn't explicitly say here how many coins and how much it costs, but trust me guys, they can get pretty expensive. So if you use Reelshort and you're fed up with paying for coins in the app, then this method is perfect for you. So make sure you have the Reelshort app installed and make sure your low power mode is turned off. So if you're on iPhone, it's in the battery settings, not sure where it is in Android, but basically just make sure your low power mode is turned off so you can use the background app refresh. Next, open up the internet browser of choice. I'm using Safari because I'm an iPhone app fanboy, but it doesn't matter which device or browser you use. Next, go to wavyplugin.com. Now, Wavy Plugin is a awesome modded app store that I discovered. As you can see, they have tons of plugins for tons of different apps. So hit the search bar, search for Reelshort, and it should pop up, guys. Reelshort Coins plugin, unlimited coins Reelshort plugin for iOS and Android. Go ahead, tap on that, and it's going to go ahead and load up here, guys. So once this completes, you're going to see a new screen. So let's just wait a few seconds whilst it does this. This is awesome, by the way, guys. This is going to get you tons of free coins, unlimited coins in Reelshort in 2025. So you're going to see this page, plugin installer. All you need to do is follow the instructions on this page to get your free coins. So it says complete 2 of the tasks below to install your free plugin. Follow the instructions below each app. It takes 30 seconds and verifies you're not a robot. So you can see I've got a list of tasks. I need to choose 2 of these free tasks and fully follow the instructions, completing 2 of them. So these are things like mobile games or surveys. So for example, this one here says install, open and complete chapter 4. So you would click on it, download this mobile game from the App Store and complete level 4. Alternatively, you may see ones like Matchmasters where you click on it and it's going to give you some instructions. So search on the App Store and basically you need to download this app and open it up. So just follow 2 of these instructions on this page, complete 2 of them, and that's how to get unlimited free coins in Reelshort. You're going to get the mod on your iOS or Android device, and that's going to save you a bunch of cash, guys, because as I mentioned, Reelshort coins are really expensive. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and smash the like button. Go to Wavy Plugin, and any questions, drop them in the comment section below and let me know how many coins you get using this method. Peace out, guys.